65 million years ago, Earth was a paradise for the mighty dinosaurs. They ruled the planet for over 160 million years, thriving in lush forests, vast plains, and endless oceans. But on one fateful day, everything changed. An asteroid, roughly the size of Mount Everest, was on a collision course with Earth. Traveling at an unimaginable speed of 20 kilometers per second, it carried the power of 10 billion atomic bombs. On the ground, the dinosaurs went about their lives, unaware of the cosmic catastrophe that was about to unfold. As the asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere, the sky ignited, creating a fiery trail visible for thousands of kilometers. The impact occurred near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. In an instant, a blinding flash lit up the sky, followed by an explosion so powerful that it vaporized everything within hundreds of kilometers. The shockwave traveled at supersonic speeds, toppling trees, crushing mountains, and causing earthquakes that shook the planet to its core. Tsunamis hundreds of meters high surged across oceans, drowning entire ecosystems. But the worst was yet to come. Billions of tons of dust and sulfur were thrown into the atmosphere, creating a dense cloud that blocked sunlight for months, even years. Temperatures plummeted, plants withered, and the food chain collapsed. Without food, even the mightiest dinosaurs couldn't survive. The lush world they once knew turned into a freezing wasteland. Within a short geological period, the dinosaurs were gone, leaving only fossils to tell their story. But life on Earth found a way to recover. The extinction of dinosaurs paved the way for mammals to rise, eventually leading to us, humans. The asteroid that brought their end was also a new beginning. Their last day reminds us of the delicate balance of life on Earth, and how even the mightiest can fall when faced with the vast forces of the universe. This is Fact Fusion, bringing you closer to the wonders and mysteries of our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.